Just want to talk about an oversight when it comes to misfires. Now, your typical misfire diagnosis is spark plugs, coil, injector compression. But one of the things that's lost to time and used to actually be a mileage service is the valves themselves. Now, we've kind of forgotten about that because these newer vehicles have hardened seats. But if you look at this one here, you can see all that darkness in those pits in that valve. So this one here I ground on a little bit to kind of show it's still got some compound on it, but this one here I ground on a little bit more. So the problem here is when this valve goes to seat, there's not a good contact patch between the valve and the seat. The other problem with these engines as they wear out is, see, the guides themselves get loose. So I'm actually moving the valve up and down, and you can see how much play there is. So every time this valve closes, it's not just going this way and this way. It's moving in both directions at the same time, which causes leakage, which causes misfires.